Here's the issue. With LinkedIn articles, you cannot create a list, a bulleted list of ordered or unordered list, and have sub-items. Yeah, I can create a list, and I can do dog, and I can do cat, and I can do horse, and I can do, giraffe, etc., etc. But what I can't do is have sub-items. I can't hit enter on dog and hit tab, which is normally what you would do when you're building a list with sub-items. And I want to move this over, indent it further, and I want to put another item. Can't do it. There's no functionality built in to LinkedIn that allows me to do sub-items in a list, whether it's an ordered or unordered list. So I did some testing. So first thing I did is I went to Google Docs. So I built the list in a Google Doc, and I'm going to copy that. And I've tried it with different formatting. It doesn't make any difference. I just copy it, select it, however you want to copy, and hit copy. Go back to my LinkedIn article, and if I paste that, look what happens. It drops the sub items. Even if I do a shift paste, Control Shift V, it drops all of the list functionality. There's all my words, but I've lost my formatting of my list. So that does not work from Google Docs. So I tried another editor. I've got a tool that I use on a regular basis. It's called Evernote. So I built my list in Evernote. So if I copy that, let me copy just the list. Copy that, Control C, go back to LinkedIn articles, and if I paste that, it pastes the list, ordered list, but again, it dropped the sub items. But I tried something else. I tried a Command Shift V. Now watch this. That reverted. Remember, my list looked like this. It was 1A, 2A, and 3A. It reverted to 1 and 1, but it really isn't a bulleted list. This is really, one dot horse. It's not even, that's not a bullet. If I unformat or do that, look, it puts another bullet in front of it. It's not a bullet, okay? And this is not a bullet either. It's just what it is the second line is indented. Now, I don't know how they indented it, but it is in fact indented with a tab. So if I build my list and I hit tab, I cannot use the tab for formatting. What happens if I do Command tab? No. What happens if I do Option tab? No. Tab does not work in the LinkedIn articles word processing platform. It does not work. This is a crude workaround. Build your list in another text editor. Again, I used Evernote. It did not seem to work in Google Docs. Maybe it works in Word. Maybe it would work in another text editor. I don't know. But this is a crude workaround. It's just not good enough. The big answer? Hey, LinkedIn. Oh, by the way, just something else to know about. For many, many, many years, I have an article about this. For many years, you could not put Burriss consulting.com, you could not put a hyperlinked email address in a LinkedIn article. It didn't work. It would revert to http://info, and now it's as it should be. It's mail to:/info. So it is a legitimate email hyperlink. It'll open up. I use Gmail and Google. It'll open up in Gmail for me to send an email. So it is a legitimate email hyperlink. They put that in, fixed that a while ago. LinkedIn, we need your help to make LinkedIn articles better, and we need the ability to do bulleted list, and would that include sub items. I'm Teddy. It's the best workaround I got. It's pretty crude. We really need LinkedIn's help.